Welcome back, everybody. It's fixing to get really warm, then really cold, so we gotta get down here where we left the timber jack. Dropped off some logs, loaded the skidder, dropped these logs off where we can get to them on the gravel here. That's what's left from that job. We'll take the skidder a few miles down the road where we're gonna start another job. Park it on the levee just in case the river gets crazy. Now this was back in October when we left it down there, and it's still got summer fuel in it. But it's warmed up enough, so we're gonna try to get it running and get it out to the truck. About to be 2 more. And there's a bunch of beaver stubs we happen to notice. Mud, ain't it?
Yeah, it's mud. Yeah, we can't do nothing here.
So the big thing for us now is we got to get it running, we got to get the fuel treated, and get some winter blend in it. And check the oil. Huh? Want to check the oil?
How would you check the oil with it up in there?
I don't know, make sure there was some in it.
Well, there'd be some in it.
It's been sitting all winter, but today it's actually above 40, so we're gonna try to get it running.
Here you go. You don't get carried away.
Oh, shit. It is mud.
Go a little bit.
Say when.
Go. When.
Well, she fired. Going to the pickup?
Huh?
Going to the pickup or?
Well, I'll have to warm up, but yeah. It might hold some. I think I'll go ahead and run it out. Yeah, well, this is bare. It's going to get nasty quick.
Well, look how muddy that is where I slipped.
Just go back and split the tracks or something. And I don't know if I try to blade, I think I'll just pull up mud.
Yeah.
I don't think the snow's that deep.
No.
You know.
And there's some bare spots.
You feel how that stuff works.
If it gets as warm as they say it's gonna get, that'll really work on it.
What?
If it gets as warm as they say it's gonna get.
Like I said, we split the tracks a little bit. Maybe something this one. But see, it's gonna be harder to go away where it's got that crust on it.
Yeah. You make you a couple passes.
Well, you need to get out here though, because wherever about the tops is gonna crash. That way, you know, be solid enough, guys, just sweep up and not have to worry about that shit. Those are the ones that get your skidder power.
Yeah. Holy moly. There's 3 of them there.
You know, just see that guy running the chainsaw. You'll have to watch and cut them fuckers off. You know, people walk in, going to cut a tree somewhere, and there's some of them.
Yeah.
You'll have to blunt them up with the saw. Where there?
Probably around a corner, maybe.
No, I bet you they got a hole
under here
somewhere for their living. But this is right there.
Yeah,
all the tracks over there.
Well, see, there's
been sliding down there. God damn.
And it hooks under there, so that's where that water's running. They're underneath these trees.
Yep. Yeah, they got.
There's another one right here. Look at this.
Yeah. Oh, I've seen them cut down or cut on big cottonwoods like that big cottonwood laying out there. See that's what they eat, that bark. That's wild the way the thing. That's a big beaver too.
Yeah.
I mean that's a big chip he's coming out with. want him on my leg.
I wonder how many of them get smashed.
Well, I seen a deal in an article one time that a tree was
On
on
top of
one of
one,
them.
pinch their head.
Yep.
You know, it's a wonder they even are able to live without wearing hard hats. Cutting down trees.
They probably don't wear safety glasses either.
No.
Ocean's gonna get on them.
They don't wear chaps. What's it? Is that a beaver track?
No.
What is that?
No.
Or is that a deer and a
I
deer?
got the deer in the back. See, that kind of like this cottonwood there. You see that big hole? There had to be a big tree here that left years
Yeah.
ago.
Oh, I got into somebody with that the other day when we were out there looking at those maples on that river. You know, and talking about cutting them.
Yeah.
He's like, oh yeah, and create erosion. I said, that root wad's gonna stay there.
Yeah. That.
When that tree goes, it takes a big hole like that.
And then you got a place for when the river gets up that it does that cutting.
Yeah, swirl it around. Look at this.
And cuts more dirt out.
Yeah, makes them weaker. He run the skidder out here. He's blading some of the snow. We wanted to melt off because it's supposed to get really warm for the next couple days. Then it's gonna get really cold after that. And if we got the ground exposed, we can get it froze up and be able to clean up our messes a lot better and not leave a bunch of ruts.
Five 924.
Yeah,
They're half-a-year old or more.
May.
Huh?
I changed them in May. You gotta stick the groove part. Yeah.
So here?
Yeah, that way it bites. I talked him into buying this trap wrench. God, I hope it works. Gotta put it around that. Yep.
All the way up here on it
Yeah,
like that.
there you go.
I don't think it's gonna work, dude.
Go up higher.
Huh?
Go up
I
higher.
think it's gonna break it. It's a $12 piece of crap that you call me into buying. It won't do nothing. See that? You sure this way it works?
Yeah.
There,
Oh,
there.
wow, that's weird. Look what happens when you don't give up.
Yeah, huh?
See how much of this I can wear.
Here, let me hold it and you won't get your glove off.
I got another pair of gloves. I wore these on purpose.
It's gotta be tight.
Yeah. Whoa. Shut off. You want me to put fuel in this?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Oh, get that gas jug. About half of that, maybe. I think I got more than half the tank in there.
Where the tanks was fueled up pretty good, we got to use this old school fuel treatment.
Okay.
You want some on there?
Yeah, you got some on there too.
Now I'll top it off with the winter blend. It's got grease tube in it.
Sure.
No, it's all right. I'm telling you what, what's in it.
You're gonna be able to get that in there or what?
Yeah, I was tied it in a knot so that way it didn't get grease all over everything, and then you'd have bitched about that. Did you get grease on
Yeah,
you?
I
You
did.
fucking
Bitch.
pussy. You just look for something to complain about.
Just a towel.
They're over here where we were working. In the door handle.
Door handle.
Yeah, you know what a door handle is?
Fall off on the ground and get all soaked up and wouldn't be no good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Did it fall off? You
Nope.
put it right back there, so it must not have been too bad of an idea.
No, just that I put it back there to see if it
So it wouldn't fucking lay in the snow.
hard up.
We got the fuel filters changed, we got the fuel treated, filled up. We'll be ready to go as soon as the ground freezes back up again.
Can't get pulled back around there and hook on that trailer.
Yeah.
I may go down and come back. If I do and go back down, whether it's got the buggy to come get me. And then we're out of here. You see what's going on here.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll try to go work where the other skidder's at, and we'll see you then. Bye.
Go back down there. Yeah. I've been going up with the machine to jump on it, and I want you to go clean down there where that other hole is.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna make that ramp and just go past it so I can get down in there and go out to the creek, and I'll be there in a little bit as it warms up and clean around some trees, and I'll go out that way from where I'm gonna be working there so I keep an eye on you in case you get hung up.
Leave this on the levee, I suppose?
Yeah.
Alright.
Welcome back, everybody. It warmed up pretty good yesterday when we was messing with the timberjack. It's gonna warm up even more today. We're over here where the apprentice is at. He's gonna work on these ramps, and I'm gonna cut some trees along the edge of the river. Then when it gets too greasy, we're gonna go over and buck up some logs. You got oil?
Yes. What's that? I just come to work with half the tools.
Oh boy.
We ain't gonna stay very long.
Okay.
Cause this thing out there where the sand ain't,
Yeah.
it's just falling in the ground.
What do you want me to do?
Go cut them trees down out there. Lean the old creek back.
Okay. Well, you ain't gonna pull cutting them others up?
Yeah, we're gonna cut them others up.
Oh.
Bulldoze around, we gotta get them cut up, because if it freezes, we won't get them cut up. But as far as out here fucking around, well, like I said, we ain't gonna stay very long. So all I'm doing is making, I ain't gonna do no more running around out there, because all I'm doing is making holes for the snow to melt and fill up, and then it won't freeze up.
So you ain't gonna pull these back up?
No.
Since he's not gonna be pulling these back up for a while, I gotta make sure not to cover them up. This way, so when I come across with my release like that, help get it to take that hinge. Probably won't though. It's leaning pretty hard. Yeah, a little bit. Nope. Get it on there, we want to put it in here. If we knock down that junky willow, that's all right. We got us a kickback limb right here. Want to make sure we get away from it. Hello. Must be time to go. And then cut those up.
say, thought I stuck on that one. I pulled that maple up there and spun out. And I let go of the maple and I still couldn't move. And just making too big a mess.
These are some trees we cut down the other day.
Jesus, these fuckers are long, ain't they?
Yeah.
I got them here was 1, 2, 3, 8, that's 24. And there's 2 12 down there, that's 48. 56, that's a 9. So over 60 foot, pushing 65 feet of log. And we wasn't trying to cut little bitty stuff with it.
No. Then we seen a turkey on our way out going around this bend. Gonna see if we can get up there and see him.
You're out of your side very nice.
I want to catch him out in the field.
Oh my God!
Look at that.
Oh! God dang, look at all of Oh.
That's the biggest bunch I've seen in a long time.
I don't know if I've ever seen that many all together. I mean, all together I've seen that many, but not all together.
Down here eating where we'd buried the dirt up.
They're over here. Correct.
Yeah. Nice guy.
Nice guys.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Welcome back, everybody.
Woo-wee.
We had to change the batteries in the timberjack this morning.
Really cold day. Another set of batteries. They say that the heat in the summer is what destroys the batteries, but it seems like we changed a lot of batteries in the winter. Anyway, we're down here with the TJ. Gonna cut us some trees, make a mess. They tried us all out. That's why you bite it like we did on the other job. That's why we came down here and did that the other day. It's because then that gets frozen and not covered with snow. And that snow will help keep the temperature up in the ground like an insulation. So you blade that snow off so the ground can get exposed to the cold temperatures.
And as cold as it is, that shouldn't be overheating. Uh-oh.
What's going on? Just over full?
Pointing out all the beaver stobs.
Stobs everywhere.
Plan is to drop everything out here in the field where it's nice and frozen. He'll be able to clean it up real good. The farmer only wants us to cut everything hanging out over the field.
Anything that leans out this way, I don't care if it'll make a fucking log or not.
Yeah.
Beavers, they've been busy since we've been here.
Wow. Well, we never looked down here. We was only over there.
Look across the creek.
Yeah.
There has to be a lot of them here.
Well, did you see how many there was down there?
Well, I said, there's some right there bulldozed over. And like I say, yeah, they can't be just 1 or 2 beavers here. There's a bunch of them. But I'm going to bulldoze these out of the way. I'll pull this a little bit. Once you get that This here, whether you come cut right here,
Yeah.
and I'll get the top moved and put the logs right here.
It's single digits, so he doesn't have to worry about pushing up too much dirt. Now I got this walnut, it's completely cut off, but it's tied up in the top.
Oh boy. It's gonna come back. I don't trust that thing.
I thought you wanted something.
What?
I thought you wanted something.
What did I want?
I don't know, I thought you waved.
I ain't wave at you.
Oh, screw you too then.
Good riddance.
You need to go back, cut that one, don't you?
Yeah, I gotta do some. That one?
Yeah, that one that's got the...
Yeah, see, there's a little thing in front of it. I just need to weaken it up or something and let it take it with it.
What are you talking about?
I know what I'm talking about.
Just tweak that.
Yeah, it's gonna catch that fork there.
That fork, okay. Like
You can see they used to be grown together.
Yeah, well, like I say, I want to keep cleaning and go, to where we ain't got nothing to come back to make another mess. You're gonna have to come on to get down there past that sycamore.
What?
That sycamore right there.
What about it?
You gotta get past that today,
Why?
so we can get this done tomorrow. Cause you ain't gonna be here fucking Wednesday and Thursday,
Yeah.
and maybe I can get some hauled out of here. Because it's supposed to go to warming up.
Yeah, Wednesday and Thursday.
There's a limited amount of time this ground's gonna stay solid, being down in this bottom. We gotta make the most of this cold weather.
Yeah, what?
So I went to change the sprocket on my saw, and the C-clip didn't seem like it had too much clip to it, and it didn't last, so I had to switch over to 395. I made it to the sycamore. And we was getting ready to cable this one. I had a good shot lined up, and my battery went dead.
Went good, as usual. Battery went dead.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
GoPros.
This has been a presentation of Boys in the Woods. Find us on all social networks. Boys in the Woods is your official home for mobile-friendly, full-length vertical videos.
Boys in the Woods.
Yeah, boy.